Hi guys! Welcome back again to the show. It's your boy Dan, and it's been a while since nag-vlog ako. And you know, if you can see the title, is I'll show you kung ano yung sa computer shop ko. And first, you can see my screen, table, sheesh. Ito regalo na sa akin ni Mapper. Of course, webcam. It's Logitech. And napansin ba't malinaw? And hindi ako halos nagkaka-reviews na. It's because I don't know why nagkaka-pimples na ako. So sobrang siguro stress sa kakaisip or whatsoever. But bigger. Here's the setup. You can see here.
I got
See?
a bit of snowman.
Damn. Ito isa. You can see here, so different the screen because of ito yung lumang monitor ko. So, it's Maki Gaming. Mac, I would say welcome to the vlog.
Hi guys. I'm a
What?
professional gamer. Man.
Ulit naman.
I'm a professional gamer.
Professional gamer pero yung laro is Roblox yung laro.
I'm new to this game, but I'm a god already.
Amak.
You know, I'm new in this game, and I'm a god already.
Sira ulo yan. So explain.
Subscribe, and like and share. Thank you.
So panibago lang. Sira ulo nga lang. This is my body. Ayan. And body ayan. So
Subscribe, man.
subscribe. So yung mapansin nyo is what's the specs of the computer. This is one. So itong dalawa to. These two are had the same specs.
Subscribe, man.
i5. Literally they are Intel i5. Ito lang hindi. AMD.
Let's go, guys.
It's AMD A8. Antlon, hindi siya Ryzen because of wala akong makakita na Ryzen o ano. So AMD A8 is actually good if you're looking for mid-gaming na computer. Intel i5 kayo. Kung gusto niyo man like VIP o mabibigati na games just like Warzone or whatsoever games, kung ano pa. You should go to i7 at may video card kayo because sa lahat ng computer shop ko, walang video card. There's no video card. So, yun ang problema talaga sa computer. No, there's no video card and limited lang yung SSD because the SSD is only 256 GB. So, medyo, sabi niyo malaki na yun, but hindi pa kaya talaga ng ibang games because usually some games are 11 or 20. Usually, syempre, yung mga download files kapag i-update. So, yung plano ko lang is magbibili ako ng extra SSD. And yun lang. So, tatlo pa lang. Guys, meron isa. There's another one, pero video game na siya. So, this one. Video game lang. So, yes. So, mid-gaming lahat. So, hindi bibigatin. Inisip ko yan what if mid-gaming na lang? Huwag ko bigla agad kasi because of yung iba kasi syempre mga bata pa lang naglaro. Of course, hindi muna tayo magbo-boom agad ng business, di ba? Kapag bumili ako ng bibigatin agad ng PC. So, binili ko lang is mid-gaming for safe, play safe muna tayo. Wala namang mawala, di ba, kung mid-gaming PC yung bibili nyo. Mid-gaming PC lang, lahat na nagastos ko. Okay? Kasi hindi ko naman ginastos lahat. Kami ni mama ko, syempre, naghati kami. So, 10K yung isa PC. Kada PC is 10K or 11K. So, hindi pa halo yung keyboard at libre na yung keyboard, pero binili ko yung gaming keyboard at gaming headset. Usually, so, itry natin 11K. Okay? Na times 3, 33,000 ang gastos na pala dito. So, wow, it's a big money. Yun nga. And yung plano ko din sa pera, if magkano kami, magkasobra sa piso, if kukuha ko pera, is i-upgrade ko yung PC ko, which because of how slow it is, mabagal na siya, hindi na siya like before, kasing bilis, because it's only a HDD, hard drive lang siya, okay, hindi siya SSD, so, yun nga, kaya ang bagal siya, so, yun, so this is my first time na i-vlog yung computer siya, so, yun nga, wala halos tao ngayon kasi gabi na, I don't know, bukas, umaga, kasi gabi is wala, hindi kasi halos napupunta dito, because of, nagsasarado ako ng umaga, like usually 7 or 6 or 7, sarado na ako, minsan lang, bilang ako bukas ng 8 to 10 like that kasi trip ko lang. But yun lang. So yun guys, napapansin nyo ba hindi ako nag-upload? Ayan guys. Hindi na ang daming video naka-stuck. So meron ako ng video naka-stuck sa pag-reaction. Pero yung sound hindi nakuha yung sound. That's fuck up. Okay, that's fuck up. Kaya yun. So napapansin mahaba din po ako. Hindi ako parang nagpagupit. So it's been 1 month na hindi na ako pagupit. Hindi ko alam kung magpapagupit pa ba ako. Sana And yun lang. So sorry lang kung medyo maingay kanina. Okay? Medyo kanina. But yun nga, if you looking for a good gaming PC or mid-gaming, just go with i5 or 4,600 pataas doon, because it can go with Roblox, Minecraft, or ano pang games gusto nyo, you can play Blood Strike like that. So yun, pwede gawin yun. Either way, kung mag-ano ka ng business, isipin nyo muna kung malakas yung dito, yung maglaro. Okay? Isipin nyo maraming bata, ganun. And isipin nyo din kung maglaro din sila. Okay? Di ibig sabihin na maraming bata, maraming pera. No. Dapat ano nyo din, like i-review nyo din, or basta yun. So yun guys, just look for mid-gaming if yun lang, wala kayong pero pabili ng hard gaming na PC, yun lang. So dito guys, dito ako nag-record sa desk. You can see the new gamepad, new mousepad pala, gamepad, new mousepad. Okay, and yun lang. So bigyan na, punta tayo ulit. Punta tayo ulit. See the gaming, kung yung ilaw. So, sure, 11K lang yan because of mid-gaming. Pero ito yung the best. This is the best one kasi transparent siya. So, makikita nyo. And this one is, ito yung PC nila, Rimaki. This Maki. Yung nilaro niya is mahirapan na ako kasi minsan nagbo-blue screen at papalitan ko ng power supply. Kasi yung power supply yata yung nag-cause ng blue screen at nagba-black screen siya. So, yan. Pinalitan ko ng motherboard, but the motherboard is not yung dahilan, the reason of blue screen pa. So, yun, nagbayad ako sa wala lang oras. So, yun. So, di ba, Matt? Busy siya.
Let's go, motherfucker, I'm gonna die. Shit.
Ayun yan. So, yun nga guys. Update ko lang kayo. Okay. And update ko lang. Usually kasi I don't get more views na. Usually 2 or 5. Di na umabot 10. But it's okay. Still gonna continue to grind hanggang umabot tayo sa 700. So, guys, like this video, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host.